Ever wonder where your money goes? Let's face it, traditional banking can feel a bit like a black box. You deposit your paycheck, watch the numbers fluctuate, and trust that everything's on the up and up. But what if you could peek behind the curtain? Especially when it comes to new fintech options like Betterment? Today, we're diving deep into Betterment's banking practices, specifically, which banks do they partner with? Now, before we jump in, a quick refresher. Betterment isn't your classic bank. They focus on automated investing and recently added a checking account option. So, the bank partnerships might look a little different than what you're used to. Cash reserve, spreading the wealth, and the FDIC insurance. Let's start with Betterment's cash reserve. This is essentially their answer to a high-yield savings account. It offers competitive interest rates and keeps your cash readily available. But where exactly is your cash chilling out? Here's the twist. Betterment utilizes a network of partner banks for cash reserve. This means your money isn't concentrated in one place. Instead, it gets swept across several FDIC-insured banks. This is actually a pretty smart strategy. The FDIC insures your deposits up to a certain amount, typically $250,000 per depositor. By spreading your cash across multiple banks, Betterment can offer FDIC insurance coverage well above the standard limit. In some cases, it can go up to a whopping $2 million. Who are these mystery bank partners? Unfortunately, Betterment doesn't publicly disclose the exact lineup of partner banks for cash reserve. This is likely to ensure they can negotiate the best rates and maintain flexibility. However, some sources speculate that the network might include established names like Wells Fargo, Truist Bank, and State Street. Betterment Checking, a straightforward partnership. Now, let's switch gears and talk about Betterment Checking. This is their mobile-first checking account with a sleek Visa debit card. Here, things are a bit more transparent. Betterment has partnered with a single bank for checking, NBKC Bank, a member FDIC institution. This means your checking account funds are held solely by NBKC Bank and are insured for up to $250,000 per depositor, just like a standard checking account. So, which Betterment banking option is right for you? If maximizing FDIC coverage is your top priority, Cash Reserve, with its network of partner banks, might be the winner. But if you prefer a more traditional checking experience with a single bank, Betterment Checking with NBKC Bank could be a good fit. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs and priorities. There you have it. We explored the world of Betterment's banking partnerships. Remember, Betterment itself isn't a bank, but they've partnered with reputable institutions to provide both cash reserve and checking accounts. No matter which option you choose, you can rest assured your money is safe and secure, thanks to FDIC insurance. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.